Here's a quick video of the 47 Ford Coupe interior. It's cleaned up. The owner had it for a couple months, did some shakedown, had a little list of some things that needed to be tidied up and cleaned up. And here it is back to get cleaned up, which should be all done. Just give me a little tour. We got the under dash cover. We've got a console with a owner supplied insert that matches the inserts in the door panels. That's custom made aluminum polished trim on the door panels to match down into the kick panels, and it also extends back into the rear. So we've got an opening console lid with removable floor to get at the fasteners and the electronics for the window switches. Custom wrapped steering wheel in the same burnt orange. The seats flip forward. There's another LED courtesy light. Seats flip forward to get into the back. That's this. The bottom of the rear armrest is the stock Ford with a wood insert supplied by the owner and then covered with the top. All of these pleated inserts in the back, as well as the pleated inserts in the doors, are removable and held in with magnets. So we've got the same leather in the back window with another polished aluminum trim design. We have anchors for child seats for their little nieces. Headliner material that was left over used for speaker grills for the speakers in the back. Obviously the theme of the car is orange and plum, and it is a little hard to see on a video, but each French stitch on the seats is a different color. One's pink, one's red, one's purple. No, pink, purple, and red, yes, for the nieces. So they each had their own color. Yes, this is a terrible video. Okay, now I'm going to go around to the back. Here's the trunk, fully upholstered. This is done in the same materials, just a basic panels. You can tell by the loops there and there that panel pulls out with access here to the battery cutoff, pockets for the hinges to go up into. What's laying in the trunk right now are vinyl floor mats that I made that match the seats with the red, pink, and purple stitching. These are the everyday floor mats because they're vinyl and easy to wipe off. Passenger side, we again have the wood inserts with the removable panels. It has front and rear power windows, so that gives easy access to any of that hardware. We've got the dual cup holders as well as a little phone cup. Carpets. These are the matching floor mats. Got the full interior. Very interesting, good colors. And I'm doing a terrible job, so I'm going to wrap this up.